This is the famous walk where people go. Not this way. I tripped. I gotta watch where I'm going. But this walkway is where people go if they go on Bachelor in Paradise. I am curious. What could be up this path? I don't know. Remember, there aren't normal safety precautions because it's meant to be a natural wilderness resort of sorts with very nicely kept grounds. These are the different bungalows in the property. But we're going to go to the main area here. This is where Mr. Harrison greets everyone before they're shot down to the beach to get accosted by everyone that's already there. Now the path back up to my room, or Sophie and I's room, and Quachi's room. Somewhere this way. Soph, you okay being on this? Look at Soph, she's ready, and she is so pumped to be here. Are you walking down the stairs to meet everyone for the first time? Yes. Okay, go say hi to Wells for me. This little area, we got a little bar, and I think this might be where the rose ceremony actually happens, but we'll figure that out in a bit. That sounds real good. I know we're only here one night, but I love it. Hey, budgies.